Good evening, viewers. We are in Infocom and we are the global booth, and we have Kirandeep, the CEO of this company. Let's talk to him what are the new solutions they are providing here. Welcome to the Edison channel. Welcome.
Myself Kirandeep Dham, CEO Globus Infocom Limited. Globus Infocom is a brand which has carved a niche in the education technology domain, and we have further diversified into three more verticals, so conferencing and professional displays, security and surveillance, and institution furniture. We have been there in the industry for the past 23 years, and we have come up with a strong Make in India brand, a brand which is trusted by most of the leading organizations in the country, and be it any vertical, government space, training room solutions, education solutions, classroom solutions, conference room solutions, and security solutions, we are there. We are trusted by the customers, and we have a nationwide sales and support service, and we have come up with a brand which really focuses on providing solutions to the users. So any need-based solution, we are there. Any product-based solution, we are there. Any customized solution, we are there. And in this year, we have launched our AV editions, which are like we have launched our new range of conference room solutions, be it paperless solution, delegate mics, then range of wireless array microphones. Then we have launched our new all-in-one LED display. Then we have launched our new LED wall with a pixel pitch of 1.25 pixels. As far as the education solutions are concerned, we have launched our language learning platform, wherein we are providing 5 languages: English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Spanish, and French. We have launched our K-12 content, which is again a digital learning platform and is available in English and Hindi language. And we have launched our virtual learning platform. As far as displays are concerned, we have launched our new range of displays, which are the AIoT range of displays, which is AI enabled with inbuilt audio and a very strong output of audio with a audio wattage of 25 watt each of 2 speakers. So that is an ideal solution for any conference room, for any classroom, or for any business meeting room. Yeah, I truly agree that AI is going to be a game changer, and we are also using this technology in our solutions to make it more user rich and make it more user friendly for the user. So AI, we have launched our AI range of displays. We have AI range of cameras also. We have motion based AI range also. So it's the new thing, and lot of new innovations are coming as far as AI is concerned, and it has a great future in every domain, be it education or businesses. So we have, as I told you, that we've been in the industry for the past 23 years, and we have our own manufacturing setup. We are truly a Make in India brand which is assembling and manufacturing these products. But as you know, that the right kind of ecosystem has still to be made, and the indigenization has to come to our country. But yes, we are doing our bit by designing the solutions as far as the Indian market is concerned. So we are deeply researching the users, the environmental conditions of India, how a technological product can perform to its best capability as far as the environment standards of India is concerned, and we are researching, developing, and further offering these solutions for the Indian market. So we are developing, designing solutions for the Indian market, and we have our own manufacturing setup. To add to this, we have recently launched our manufacturing setup in the heart of Noida, which is at an expanse of 80,000 square feet, and we are going to add on the production capabilities and make it a truly a world-class manufacturing setup. So we truly believe that any channel partner who is coming and associating with us, because we are a technology brand and we have so many solutions. So first and foremost, the whole idea of educating them about our solutions, how do they make an impact and how they would be beneficial to the users, and how together we can make a difference in the technological domain. That is the prime thing, and we are all like-minded organizations who come together with the sole purpose of making technology accessible to one and all, with a Make in India brand who is providing world-class solutions, world-class services and exceptional support to the users. And we are also doing regular partner training programs. So our dedicated training department takes care of the trainings which are on a regular basis. Then we conduct a lot of webinars in which we educate our latest offerings, or in case any partner needs another session of any detailed session about any technology which has come up or something like that, or he has to educate his customer. We are always there because we really believe that we have to support them at every step so that we can help them perform to their best capabilities. So Globus Infocom is a channel driven organization. We have come this far because of our channel partners, and we truly work with a policy of holding our channel partners, supporting them, and working with a transparent policy for each and every partner who comes, joins us, and be a part of our journey of success. So we deeply acknowledge the contribution of each and every partner who has been associated with Globus, promoting our products, and have that trust of further recommending our brand to the customers. So it's an ecosystem, it's a beautiful ecosystem which is based on the only on the ethos of mutual trust and transparency. So, and plus we have a case locking mechanism. We truly work with the partners who have the strong hold in the account. So Globus Infocom, we have come this far. I would like to acknowledge the channel partners because we are a partner driven organization, and the ethos of the organization is that we truly believe in supporting our partners and working with a transparent working policy. So whatever we have come far like this, and whosoever partner is working with us, we work with a clear policy of holding hands very, very transparently, supporting. There's only one thing I would like to say, that because we are a part of the technological industry, we are bringing technology for a purpose, and we together can make it meaningful. And let's do it, and let's make India a technological rich country, be it in any segment. Let's break all barriers and make technology an integral part of our daily routine, but use it to the level in which it doesn't harm anyone, not the society, not the individual, but use it very, very effectively and judiciously.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.